Hello everyone and welcome back. Melissa and I are getting a lawnmower for up at the Cloquet house. It's a riding lawnmower, so I need this trailer, and it's been snowed in here for months. This probably hasn't been taken out of here since deer hunting. There's about a foot of snow when you get up by the driveway. What I'm worried about is if I were to back across this with the truck, when you get over here, it's getting real soft underneath the snow, and I might put big ruts into the yard. So I'm going to see if I can't pull this out with the four-wheeler and at least get it up on higher ground. That didn't go too bad. I don't think it did much at all to the yard. Maybe a little bit right here, not a big deal. All right, everyone. Come back in 2 days, take it off the four-wheeler, hook it up to my truck. We're driving to Eau Claire, Wisconsin. It's about an hour and 45-minute drive. Take a look at the new mower. I just got home from work a little bit ago. Got the trailer now hooked up to my truck. Had to fiddle a little bit with the wiring to get the lights to work, and now everything seems to be working really nice. Originally I was going to wait until today to pull the trailer out, but I decided to do it yesterday, and I'm glad I did. Now this is all water. It got to 64 degrees today. Tomorrow morning early, we'll get in the truck and head for Wisconsin. To go. Well, I got it picked up in the trailer, as you saw. Now I'm just heading back. This mower here, we've been looking for a long time for one, but it's winter time, so you know, there's not a whole lot of them for sale, and I wanted to get it early spring here before the grass gets green, because then prices are going to go up. This guy here is moving into a townhome. He purchased this brand new in 2015, and it only has 45 hours on the hour meter, so definitely going to be a good machine, and it should last for a long time. Well, here it is. I mean, it looks like it's brand new. Even the blades, I mean, that must be a brand new blade. Either that or it hardly got used. 45 hours, I mean, it should be dirty, so that must be a brand new blade. 24 horsepower motor, a 48-inch deck. It came with the full triple bagger. I took that off. I'm going to leave that here this week because I'm bringing up all the beehives that I built 2 or 3 years ago. Melissa wants to get back into bees. And pretty soon it's time to order her nukes, so I'm going to bring this up there this weekend. This mower here has been working pretty much flawlessly for 16 years now. I mean, I have to replace stuff on the deck when you hit a stump and you break a spindle, or replace a blade or a belt once in a while, but otherwise it always starts. I don't put anything in the gas for as a stabilizer. Last time this was run now was probably beginning of October, so almost 6 months ago. And right now, if the battery is good, I bet you this thing will start right up. This mower right here has been a really good mower. The mower deck itself has been through a lot. I need to do some repairs on that. The house before this one was a brand new yard, all kind of stumps, and it just really chewed it up. And then I brought this up to the tent, and it sat there for probably 3 years and didn't get started, and now the carburetor needs to be cleaned. But this one here, I definitely want to get fixed up and bring this one up to the tent. So that leaves us with this one for the new farmhouse up in Cloquet. It doesn't even have a choke on this one. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. Should just be a few more weeks and we'll be able to see this thing cutting some grass. I will see you guys on the next video.